Sir, if there is like 10 and 100, can we use king in between? No need, beta. Don't use in between. Vivan, sir, please discuss question 5, exercise 3.3. Okay, beta, I will discuss. Okay, now you can tell your doubts in yesterday's homework first. In 3.3, I gave you homework from 1 to 5. Vivan is asking question number 5. Others, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Please ask. Manit saying no doubt. Aaron also saying question 5. Question number 3, Abbas. Okay. So we have two questions now to discuss. Question number 3 and 5. So what scale will be taken in question 5? Okay, beta, we will discuss that. Okay, so no doubt. Manya saying no doubt. Very good. Okay. Now, I think we should start now. Question number 3 first. Let's see. Okay, I'm taking question number 3 only. Okay. Question number 3 is here. Okay. It's here. So the question is saying number of children in 6 different classes are given below. Represent data on bar graph. So we have classes 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So there are 6 different classes. We want to place these values as a bar graph. Please avoid typing anything now. Please avoid typing anything in that chat box now. Okay. Let's solve the question. So to make this, first of all, we need a axis x and y. Let me draw that like this. Okay. After this, we have to understand what will come on which axis. On x-axis, we will have classes. On y-axis, we will have number of children. Classes are very easy. First, we have 5th class, then we have 6th, then we have 7th, then we have 8th, 9th. But I'm not looking at the chat box right now. Please concentrate on the question only. Don't type anything. And final is 10th class. So you can observe I have taken equal gaps between these. It is a very much important property of bar graphs that the gap should be equivalent between all the intervals. Now we have to understand what should be taken as the scale for y-axis. Before that, let's write what is the minimum value we are having. We can say the minimum value we have is, I think 90, 80 is there, minimum value, and maximum value is 135. So the range is 135 minus 80, that is 2055. Okay, so the range is 55. We have a diverse range of 55. So what do you say? What should be taken as scale? Yes, better, you can reconnect. Don't worry. Mokshita, you can reconnect. Okay, Manit saying scale of 10. Okay, Kavish saying scale of 20. Aaron saying 5. Okay, 10 students. Okay. Again, the same thing. If you take 10, let me tell you what will happen. There are two ways if you take 10. Okay. I think 20 will be fine. If you take king, then 10 is okay. If you don't take king, 20 will be fine. Okay. Yes, better Labia, very good. So if you take a scale of 20 in the first case, suppose what will happen? Who's there? No. Scale is 25. Okay, you can take any scale. I am doing the question with two scales. One with normal 20 scale, and second I will do with scale of 10. Okay. I forgot. Okay, but I am telling you, don't worry. So first I am doing without king. Okay, normal case. Let the scale as y-axis. I am defining 1 unit equal to how many students? 20 students. I am defining Sir, it is compulsory to use king in 10 scale. No beta, not at all. But you have to make from 10 only then. Please don't switch on your video. Now see. Please see. So the first value will be 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160. So we have taken a scale of 20 and we can observe all the intervals are same of gap of 20 only. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So our graph is correct. Now let's start the values. Beta Abhas, I will tell you. Don't say it again and again, okay? Don't worry. I will take it. First, concentrate on this one. Now, I have taken a scale of 20. So on y-axis, 1 unit is equivalent to 20 students. Now, first is saying there are 135 students in class 5th. So I will take a bar. In class 5th, there are 135. So it will be like 100 more than 120 and less than 140 somewhere here. 130 is middle. 135 will be more than 135 somewhere here. If you use a bar graph, when you purchase from market, you will get all the lines in between that will help you to understand. So this is how much? 135. Similarly, next is 120. So class 6 is 120. This is very much easy for you to make like this. Then the third one is 95. Again, it is more than 90, less than 100. So it is more than mid of this and somewhere here. I'm telling you, use a bar graph, a graph paper. It will be easy for you to make all this. I hope this is clear to you. But sir, the lines are only 5. Lines must be 10 beta. In the graph paper, there are 10 lines in between 2. You can take 10 lines. Okay, that will help you. Clear, Nana saying. Okay, so this I have done with scale of 20. Now, first tell me, is this scale clear so that I can take scale of 10 also? Please tell me, is this scale clear? Okay, Nana saying yes. Tushita, okay. Banipreet. So we have done this question using a scale of 20. Now I will do with scale of 10. And you can choose from your side which scale is good for you. Okay, let's see. Now I am taking a scale of 10. 1 second, let me erase this. One second, let me erase this. Now you will understand again why we require a king. Okay, you will understand why do we need a king at all. Now if I take 1 unit equal to 10 children. 1 second. This is the pen. Okay, 10 children. Now see, if I start with 10 only, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, then I will have 90, 100 over here, 110, 120 and so on. So you can see my graph is going quite long. Yes class, can you observe this? If I take a scale of 10, my scale, yes beta, it is better, Charvi. Our stationery shops are not open. So Kritika, if shops are not open, you are free to make it with scale and pencil, no issue. Now understand this thing. You can make with a scale of 10 also. You can make with a scale of 10 also, but the issue is you will have a very long graph. That is not wrong. It is absolutely correct. No issue. The thing is you are wasting your page. The thing is you are wasting your page and being a nature loving person, it is not good. So what will happen if we use 5 and use king? Nothing will happen, beta. That is also okay. Okay. So you can understand in this case how many values are wasting. We are wasting these many values. Till this point, we are not using anything. We can understand from 0 to 80. We are not using any value. So this portion is getting wasted completely. So what we can use, we can push the axis, we can push the y-axis downwards so that these values from 0 to 80 can be kinked. These values can be shrinked. इनको हम shrink कर देंगे and we form a kink. Now I hope it is clear to you. Now I hope it is clear to you. What is kink? In this case, 0 to 80, no value is being used. So we are pushing the y-axis downwards to make these, what you say, vanish from our side. Okay, and that is why a kink is formed. Understood? Simple, take a straw and push it, a kink will form in that straw also. Now let's see. Abhas, I think it is clear to you now. Okay, Nirvair, very good, thank you. Now again I am going with the kink method. Let's see. First let me erase this. So let me erase this. Okay, now I have to form a kink over here only. Complete is gone, not recorded. Now okay, let me take different color for you this time. Okay, so this time I will use a kink over here and start with 90, sorry 80. So this value I am taking as 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, and last it is done. Yes, what is in the chat box? Sir, what is the method in which the number goes down? No method is there, beta. We're just using a pushing, we're just pushing it. A kink is forming, a physical phenomena. How much values can be pushed using kink? Beta, any value can be pushed. Okay? How much values can be pushed? But you can push any value, but you have to make sure that the first value is there after the kink only. Okay? Kink cannot be in between. Make it always in the starting only. Now, I think it is easy for you to understand now. The first value is how much? First value is 135. Take the bar like this and 135. Very simple. 130 between these two. Somewhere here. We have got the first value. Similarly, the next value is 120. It will be like this. Make sure all the bars are of equal width. From 0 only, Kritika. Not anywhere, in the starting only, Banipreet. In the starting only we use a kink. Okay. Now one more thing. It is not compulsory to use kink. You are free to use a scale of 20 in this case. Okay. You can avoid it if you want. Now let's see question number 4. Doubt of one student. I am going to the next question. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, class. Now question 4. One second. In this question there are some parts also. Which class has maximum number of children and the minimum? You can tell very easily. Find the ratio of students of class 6 to class 8. Please tell me second part answer. What is the ratio of class 6 to class 8 students? What is the ratio of class 6 to class 8 students? Let's write. Very good. Okay, Tushita is saying it is 6:5. Let's see. The ratio means above we have class 6th and below we have class 8th. And the numbers are given to us. In 6th we have 120. In 8th we have 100. So we will cut it. 0, 0 cancel. 2 6 are 12. 2 5s are 10. So answer is 6/5. I hope all of you got this. The ratio of class 6 to class 8 student is 6:5. Now let's say question number 4. Question 4. The performance of students in first term and second term. Again, we are comparing two term examinations. So which graph we will use? Please help. Which graph we will use in this case? So can I leave the meeting and join again? Okay, Beta, you can do. Okay, Maneet. Yes. In this question, we are comparing two-term examination. So we will use double bar graph. So let's start. Let me make the axis first. 1 second. Like this. Axis is made. After that, I have to understand what will come on x-axis and what will come on y-axis. On x-axis we have subjects. On y-axis we have marks. Okay. Now, first of all, try not to type anything in the chat box now. Okay, you are saying x equal to subject, y equal to marks. Okay, correct. Okay, so you are saying scale is 10. Let me write the scale values. The minimum value we are having is, please tell me, what is the minimum value? Minimum value is 65 and max value is? Maximum value is 95. So we can understand that starting of the values is from 65, not from 10, 15, 20. So again, if you want, you can use the kink to make your page, what you say, to save your page. Now, let's start with the scale. I guess scale of 10 will be okay. Let us use that scale. On y-axis, I'm defining 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Now, so again, I'm using a skink over here. So I have pushed the values of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That is of no use for me. I'm starting with 60. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now we have first, suppose English, second, Hindi, third, maths, fourth, science, and fifth, SST. Now let's start with the double bar graph. The value of first term English is 67. So we will take a bar for 67. It will be somewhere more than this and less than 70. If you use a graph paper, it will be easy for you. So this is the first. Second is 70. In first term she got 67. In second term she got 70. Like this I can show. And let me shade the second one like this to give a difference. I can give over here that white box means it is first term and shaded box is second term. I hope you are getting this. But sir, graph is very small. No issue, Nana. You can make it large also. You can take a value of 5 also. If you think it looks very small, you can take 1 unit as 5 marks also. Okay. Yes, but I can use different color also. No issue. Class, it is completely your choice which scale you want. Rishi is saying, sir, if first value is 5 and the second value is 80, can we use king between them? Please better don't confuse yourself. Always use king in the start. Don't use king in between. Okay, last. Sir, we can shade first term also. Yes, beta, you can shade, Nana, no issue. Sir, how much value we should king? There is no limitation for king, beta. Suppose your value start from 1000. Suppose you have a value starting from 1000, you will king till 1000. Obviously, why will you waste your paper? Sir, 0 is also a value. Yes, beta, 0 is also a value. It is a starting value. Okay. I hope all of you are getting this. So, similarly, you can put the other values also. Suppose in Hindi, I have got 72. In Hindi, I have got 72. So, I will get again like this. 72 is more than 70, somewhere here. 72. In second term, I have got 65. So, my performance is degrading to 65. Okay, I'm doing a mistake in this. 1 second. It is 65 somewhere here between 60 and 70. Okay. So when you draw in your copy, you are free to take any scale. Okay, it is not an issue. You can take a scale of 5 also. We use king just to save the paper. If you don't want to save the paper, you are happy making a long graph, you can make it, no issue. King is not compulsory. Very good, Avneet. Sir, if we zero a value, then how will we make a bar? No bar will be there, beta. If it is 0, the bar will not be there. It will be 0. So now we have to draw. Yes, beta, you can draw like this and then shade also. Like this, I have taken. I will shade this. You can take different color also. Suppose this is black, this is yellow. Like that, you can take color also. Now it is asking in which subject the child performance has improved the most. Please tell me, while seeing the bar graph, can you tell in which subject the performance is improved the most? In maths, obviously in maths it will improve. So it is 95 because your brain level is increasing. You have improved very good in maths. Okay. Next is, yes, Mokshita, you can use, no issue. In which subject improvement is least? In which subject improvement is least? In Hindi. Okay, because we are not taking Hindi seriously. We think English is more important in our life. But as a Indian, Hindi is also important for us. Huh? So, say English is a foreign language. It is important, but Hindi is also important. Third is, has the performance gone down in any subject? Is there any subject in which it is down? In Hindi it is down. Apart from this, I guess in every subject we are doing good. Only in Hindi we are getting down. Okay, so answer is Hindi for third part. Sir, then you say in Hindi. Sir, then you talk in Hindi, Abbas. Okay, I told you. I told you Hindi is our mother language. Okay, maximum. Other languages are also there. English is important because it is used worldwide. We should have a knowledge of it, but Hindi should not be taken for granted. Hindi is also important. Okay, all languages are important. Let's take it that way. Now, question 5. Those who had doubts, what should be the scale of question 5? Let's start. In this question, we have consider data collected from a survey. One second. Sir, answer is social science. Second part. Kavish same. One second. Second part is saying in which subject improvement is least. Improvement is least. Okay. Yes, in Hindi we are degrading and we are improving in other subjects. So we can say that improvement is least in social science. Okay. You can check also the answer at the back. Okay. Now let's see question 5. See this one. Yes, beta, there is no improvement in Hindi. Sir, I have maths phobia, but now maths is easy. Kashish. Okay, beta, very good. There is no thing like phobia. Once you understand a thing, it becomes easy for you. Okay, it is tough only till the time you understand it. Okay, you have taken a scale of 100, Ashmit Singh. Sir, SST, checked. Okay, in the last question, answer of second part is SST because the improvement is least in SST. In Hindi, we are degrading, not improving. Okay, now let's start. Question is saying, there are a survey of watching and participating. Cricket is watched by 1240 and participated by 620. What is this? Okay, colony mein there is a this survey. So they are saying for cricket, basketball, swimming, all of them they are giving. Now we have to see what is the minimum value. Please tell me what is the minimum value. Very good, Avneet. What is the minimum value? Minimum value is 105. Very good. And the maximum value is 1240. So I guess going with a scale of 100 would be appropriate because if you go more than that, like 200, that will be okay, but it will be tough for you to find the values. On the graph paper, it is easy for you to find between 10 values. Let me show you the graph paper. One second. One second. Just one second. Let me show you graph paper. When you purchase a graph paper from outside, in this case, we don't need a kink. Like this, we have a graph paper like this. You can see in this, the division is 5 in between. So what you can do is you can take this 0 and in between you can take 10 values and then take the second one. Okay. Bunnypreet is saying, sir, if we take a scale of 200, then it will be a very small graph. Yes, beta. Okay. So you can purchase a graph and it will be easy for you to do it. Let's do it now. So first of all, I will make a graph first. Like this. Then we will. So how many minutes left? It is 7 minutes left now. Okay. Last question we are doing this. Now scale. The scale will be 1 unit equal to 100 what? 100 people. Now we are starting with 100, so no need of kink. So it is 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1000. Then you have two more values. I'm making like this. You can make it correctly. 1000, 1100, 1200. One more is required. 1300. So there are 13 divisions in your scale. Now we have to make a double bar graph for cricket. Very simple. Write cricket over here and take a bar. And first value is 1240. First value is not there with us. So it will go above this, like this, somewhere here. Okay, the first bar. And the second will be 620, like this. 620 will be more than 600 and somewhere here. So you can write like this. Suppose this time I have taken the second one as dash. So box is showing watching and dash is showing participating. So this way you can make the complete double bar graph. I hope it's clear now to everyone. Sir, if we take 200, we will not make 105. You can make 105, Tushita, but it will be tough for you. Sir, first bar can be also be colored, but I have told you, it's your choice. You can color it, you can decolor it, whatever you want. But there should be some difference. In double bar graph, there should be some difference. One is shaded, one is unshaded. One is colored, other is uncolored. Like that you can do. Sir, if we have 5 least and 100 max, so in Tata, no carnic, no need, don't go for that, leave it. Okay, no need of it. Sir, someone has started the video, Charvi is saying. Please don't start the video. Rishi, sir, in the exam, we will provide with graph paper. Yes, beta, you will be provided. You must have seen people getting graph papers. Can we use kink in the bar graph? Yes, beta, you can use. In this one, it is not needed. In this bar graph, kink is not needed because all are equal. You can see the interval is of 100, 100, 100, 100. So all intervals are equal. That means we have not pushed at all. If we push, then only we need a kink. Yes, Banipreet, you can use different colors. Okay, only 4 minutes are left. So we can switch on our video now. And let me stop the video recording.